Finally, finally, finally. You know how many times people have told me I couldn't do something? You can't do that. What training do you have? My goodness, aren't you worried? How many times? Well, you know, scientists, as brilliant as they can be, this is a true story. And it's been a few years, so I don't know if they have figured it out yet. But what was said was that they, according to their calculations, aerodynamics and such, that a bumblebee shouldn't be able to fly. They couldn't figure out how it could be flying. Well, you see where I'm going with this. It's a real good thing the bumblebee didn't ask him. It's kind of fortunate the bumblebee couldn't ask him. I'm just saying. If you need credentials from the Federal Aeronautics Association saying you can fly, you know what I'm thinking? You haven't got a clue as to what flying is. Good luck in your life.